And if you find this part is unwilling to speak, or you're not sure what it's saying, just imagine what you think it would say.
Holy jumping.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, that's weird. What happened there? Hope we didn't break it. Still feel like I'm too far back here. There, that should be good. Okay. So I just verbalize everything I'm doing. Still too far. There we go. So foot on the brake, reverse signal. Looking around. And there's no cars here, so I can turn sooner. When you roll through here, when it's congested here, you just like 15 kilometers or so. Sometimes there's a bit of an issue here. Sometimes like people come around that corner, so you were in the correct position, you were far enough over to the right. Just use your signal, but slow it down for this slow speed bump here. Just let your tires roll over them so that your examiner doesn't bounce in your seat. And then at the roadway right turn, timing of the signal approximately here. I don't care about the traffic. I care about what's on the sidewalk. So I'm just moving my body forward to see down the sidewalk first. The sidewalk is clear, so I can just move out here, and I want both lanes of traffic to be clear before I turn in there. Looks good. Sharp right turn, then you want to get your speed up to 50 immediately, as soon as possible. I notice I'm at 50, so I'm just going to ease off the throttle a little bit. Just to keep it at 50. Your speed management's excellent.
Thank you.
I'm scanning far left, center, right, checking my rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds or so. I'm a little over 50, so I'm easing off the throttle again. Not even touching it, really. And lane change to the left, so signal, mirror, left blind spot, check. And you notice I'm taking about 3 seconds or so to transition from one lane to another. In other words, signal, mirror, right blind spot check. You don't want to do this. Like kind of jerk the wheel.
Yeah.
Signal, mirror, left blind spot check, and just ease into that lane. Left turn at the lights. Signal, mirror.
And I want you now to tell this part that you appreciate what it's done. That may sound a strange thing,